Hello, today we will guide you through how to change audio output in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. This is where you'll manage your meeting audio settings, including which speaker or output device Zoom should use. If you already know you want to test your sound before joining a call, Zoom gives you a quick way to do that during the meeting entry process. Once Zoom is open, click Join Meeting if you're entering an existing meeting. If you're just following along for practice, you can choose New Meeting instead. Either option will help you reach the audio controls you need. This is useful if you switch between headphones, laptop speakers, or an external audio device and want to make sure the sound plays through the correct one. Before joining the meeting, look for the audio output option on the Join screen. This area lets you review and change where your meeting audio will be heard. It's a good idea to check this before entering the call, especially if you've recently connected a new device. Next, click the Audio drop-down menu. This will open a list of available audio output choices. From there, select the sample audio option or the available speaker output you want Zoom to use. Choosing the correct output here helps confirm that meeting sound will play through the device you expect. There's also another way to change the audio output after you've already joined a meeting. If you're inside the meeting and need to switch devices, click the three-dot menu or More option. This usually contains additional meeting controls and settings. From that menu, click Settings. Once the Settings window opens, select Audio. In the audio section, you'll find the available speaker or audio output options for Zoom. From there, select the sample audio output or the output device you want to use for your meeting audio. This method is especially helpful if your sound isn't coming through the right device after the meeting has already started. For example, if you plug in headphones mid-call or disconnect a speaker, you can return to audio settings and update the output without leaving the meeting. And that's it. By changing the audio output either before joining or from the in-meeting settings, you can make sure Zoom plays sound through the device that works best for you.